What's up, guys? It is a fantastic day because I just bought a brand new motorcycle and it's here. I bought it in California. I shipped it here. The delivery company ran into a few setbacks, but nothing we can't work around. So I'm gonna go to the delivery guy's house, pick up the bike, and then ride it home as a first ride. I cannot wait. You guys don't even know what bike it is yet, so we better get going.
We did it. Let's start this baby up. Nothing like the old stock exhaust. I guess we should let this thing warm up for just a few minutes. Let's see, 0 miles. I'm gonna be putting the first miles on my brand new Z900. Guys, this thing looks so sick in person. I cannot believe it. Other than the mirrors, the red just pops, man. It looks so good. Can't wait to get the tail tidy off of there. I've got a few things that I want to do to this bike pretty early on, but you know, for the most part, coming stock, I think this thing looks super sweet. I cannot wait to ride this thing home to see how it feels compared to the 500R. I am absolutely stoked. So we've got adjustable levers on both sides. I'll mess with everything when we get back home. And we are in sport mode, so I need to read the manual. Now we're in road mode. Rain mode. Rider. I think that's where you can customize, I assume. Alright, we're going to keep it in the road mode. I was going to do it in sport mode, but we'll play it on the safe side. And Kawasaki says for the first 250 miles, keep it under 4,000 RPM. So I'm going to try my best to stay in that range. This feels so different, like so short. Very maneuverable. Oh man, that first instance of shifting on a brand new bike, it just feels so smooth. Beautiful morning out too. It's like 78 degrees, 80 degrees. Feels a little bit chilly, honestly, but I will take it. I think the seat is actually a little bit higher from the ground than the 500R. At least it feels that way, or maybe it's a little bit wider so my feet don't touch as easy, but it's like the perfect distance actually, because the 500R sometimes felt a little short. The seating position on this thing feels so different. Like I'm just straight up and down compared to the 500R, even though it's more ergonomically fitting. It's nothing like this. Nothing, not even close. So I'll make a video for you guys about how I ended up getting this bike. I bought it in California, I shipped it here. I'll make a whole video about the process and how I did that, but honestly, it was super easy and I had no issues, not anything at all. And it was honestly easier than when I bought the bike up in Flagstaff, Arizona. My 500R, I bought that in Flagstaff, and that was a mess. Alright, that's all I got for right now. That was fun though, and we're only in road mode, so I'm pretty sure that's on full power setting, but it reduces the throttle response. I don't know. I need to go through and read everything in the manual, which is probably what I'll spend some time doing today. And I'll tell you what, I cannot wait to get rid of these antenna bug-eye mirrors. They look so ridiculous. Man, this really sucks having to break this thing in. Like, I've heard it both ways. I've heard it's a myth, the break-in period, and I've also heard that it's important. Whether or not it is a myth or not, or whether it's not just the dealership saying, you know, it takes some time to get used to the bike, I don't know what it is. But either way, this sucks. I just want to rip this thing so bad right now. But the time will come. The time will come for having some extreme amounts of fun on this thing. And I cannot wait. Whoops. Alright guys, well so far 8 miles. This thing rides very smoothly. It's taken a little bit of time just to get used to the ergonomics and different seating position, different handlebar position, all that stuff of course, but so far I am really pleased. This thing is going to be a lot of fun. Good upgrade from the 500R. Like I said in a previous video, I wanted the Ducati Monster, and although I think that would be a better bike to ride, just a lot more premium features, and of course a more premium price tag for the premium features. But you know, I'm always just trying to, I don't want to like sidestep. So from the 500R, I didn't want to like sidestep to like a Ninja 650 or something similar like that. You know, I just wanted to get something that I could progress with, something that's like a step forward. So I think I made the right choice. You know, it's obviously still pretty damn early, but I'm pretty happy with this thing so far. This is going to be a lot of fun. Lots and lots of more videos to come. We've got some cool ideas for this new bike, so stay tuned guys. Make sure to subscribe. As always, hit that thumbs up button, show some love, and yeah, stay tuned. I'm excited for this stuff. Man, it's so hard. That's literally as far as I can take it. At least that's what the bike is saying. The dealership said 4,000 RPMs, or the manual said 4,000 RPMs, so we're gonna stick to it as best we can. Our time for having fun will come. God, it really sucks having to shift that much just to get to 50 miles an hour.
All right, guys, well, we made it home. The Z900 is officially a part of the garage now. I just need to get it registered, of course. So I'll be spending a lot of time in the parking lot doing some practice until then, but so far I absolutely love it. Drop a comment, let me know what you guys think down below. I think it looks absolutely awesome. I love the red rims. It's like a good accent to the rest of the bike. So I can't wait to do some stuff to this bike and get it looking exactly how I want it to look, exactly how I envisioned. So got some fun stuff planned. I cannot wait. So make sure you guys stick around. Thank you again for watching. I know it was a super boring ride, probably the most boring vlog you're ever gonna see me do, but we got a lot of stuff coming. Stay tuned, subscribe, like this video, and we will see you guys in the next video.